guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today I want to show you another shelf in my Alice in Wonderland room. And which one is it gonna be? It is gonna be this shelf. I want to show you all my red queens and doorknob items. And here it is up close. This is my doorknob collection. This is all I have so far, but it's quite a lot because there isn't that much merchandise of this. Now this is a magnet. So I'm gonna take it off because when I touch that, this will fall off. But I want to put a little iron thingy over here and have this stick on the wall. Isn't it gorgeous? He looks so happy. And then you have this thing. This is an ornament. You have Cheshire over here, and then you have Alice over here. So I thought this looked really nice with this collection. This I need to figure out. I think I might hang it from this shelf. It's also a doornament. That's funny actually. It's an ornament of the doorknob. It's a doornament. And it all started with this thing. This is a pen holder, but it's also a pencil sharpener. So on the back, I can't reach it right now, but you can take off, there's a little drawer, you can take the pencil sharp stuff. What you call that in English? You can take it out. So I really love this one. It's a really awesome. It's the first item I got, and no, I'm gonna put this down. And then they had this mug. I mean, come on, it's just beautiful. How you drink out of that, I don't. Well, you can drink out of it. That's not too hard, but you have to hold it by the doorknob, and I think it'll break. So this is actually more of a put it somewhere, look at it, and be very happy item. So those are my cute doorknobs and the little Alice, and this one over here, of course. Just gonna put it down like this. This is gonna be a bit of a shaky video because I'm holding my camera, and normally I sit down at my desk and show you stuff, but that's not possible with my whole room. I really like having all of these items together, so all the doorknobs together, and over here is the rest of the shelf. I have loads of red queens. Now, not all of them in my collection. I have so many red queens in my collection. But these I thought would look nice together. So I put them all together. And oh, there's a stray one. Well, it's gonna go over here. So first, let me show you this one. This is Ram. And I have a blue version of her, the Alice version. And this is the red queen version. As you see, gorgeous. And then in the background I have a Loungefly wallet. And I really love it. It's I really wanted to buy that a long time ago, but I just thought it was way too expensive because I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to look at it. But then it was half off, I think, and yeah, then it was mine. So I bought that one. And I also have this cutie. It's the Queen, the letter Q. And this one, guys, this is not really an official Alice in Wonderland Red Queen, but come on. This looks like the Red Queen. She even got little hearts over here and the black and white tiles that you always see, and she's got a heart necklace. It is the Queen of Hearts. Maybe not the Alice Queen of Hearts, but it is the Queen of Hearts. So I thought, yeah, let's buy it and put her in my collection. It's just so cute. So there are a few items that aren't officially Alice in Wonderland, but come on. And then you have this one. This is a really cute ornament. I have Alice, and I have the Red Queen, and I have a Cheshire, and I have a White Rabbit, and loads of them, and they were so cute. And yeah, well, I just love it when I find stuff that's not really Disney, because I have so many Disney items. When you walk into my Alice room, it's actually a Disney room. And I love that because I love the Disney stuff, but I love it when I find, you know, other items that aren't Disney. Having said that, look at this Disney Queen. She is so gorgeous. And then over here I have, what are they called? The Cherished Teddies. Now this again is not officially Alice in Wonderland. It's the Queen and King of Hearts. But come on, it's Alice in Wonderland. Well, maybe not. But on the box there was a croquet game, and the things that were the illustrations on the box, you thought they were going for Alice in Wonderland. But it is just the King and Queen of Hearts. But look at them. I mean, but when I found out that they existed, I thought I really want these because I would love to have this in my collection, and now I have. I know there are real Alice ones. I mean, I have one of Alice and the White Rabbit, and I have a Mad Hatter. But there are more cherished teddies out there that I really, really want. But oh well, one day. Let's put her back. And then over here you have a Momichi doll. And at first I had them all together. I can show you. Wait a minute. The box. It's an Alice Momichi doll. It's a book. And I absolutely love it, so I have it over here. And I used to have the Momichi dolls in front of it, but now I have one over here. The Drink Me bottle shelf. This is Alice. The Mad Hatter I have a little sneak peek, because I want to show you this one next, over here. Can you see it? It's a bit dark. And then I have the Red Queen over here. So sometimes I take apart sets and I find that really, really difficult. But when I started making shelves, you know, all the doorknobs together, all the Mad Hatters together, all the queens together, well, loads of them. Yeah, it was actually kind of nice. I now have a Momichi doll on my Red Queen shelf, and one with the Hatters, and one with my Drink Me bottle shelf. And it's actually kind of nice. But maybe one day I'm going to rearrange this whole room and then they're going to be together again. I don't know. Then I have another ornament. It's a Disney ornament again. And I just think it's so awesome. So when it's Christmas, all these ornaments, I go around my room and I find all the ornaments and they go into the Christmas tree. And then after Christmas I need to figure out where I got them from. So these aren't too difficult, you know, the Red Queen shelf. But there are 3 ornaments here. This one, this one, and this one. And by the way, also this one. So 4, and that one, so 5 ornaments on one shelf. So with when it's Christmas, my room is a bit empty. But I have a lovely Alice in Wonderland Christmas tree. Okay, then I bought this. This is the Queen of Hearts. Yeah, it's just the Queen of Hearts. It's a really weird, ugly little thing. But there's nothing as ugly in my collection as this one. I think they were pretty expensive. It is a brand. It is by Alessi. And that's pretty expensive stuff, but it's so ugly. I mean, why would you buy this? Unless you're a collector like me. That still, why did I buy this? I also have a Mad Hatter of this one. I'm going to show you that in my next video is going to be a Mad Hatter video. You'll see the counterpart of this one. You see the Mad Hatter. It's just so ugly. So these are 2 really ugly items, but I might be a bit weird, but I love ugly items. The uglier the better. So in Wonderland that's not very hard. There are such, oh my gosh, some of the items, well, I mean, come on, so ugly. I love it. As long as the rest is cute and nice, I love a few of these ugly little things. And then of course I have this Jim Shore Queen over here, and I absolutely love it. She's lifting up her skirt, and there you see a scene from the, well, you see her again. They are playing croquet or croquet. I don't know how to pronounce it in Dutch. Croquet. Is that croquet? I don't know. Anyway, they are playing, and I just think this is a really wonderful thing. It's so nice. I love this series. There are more of these from different characters. I just think it's really, really fun. I think she's awesome. So yeah, let's put this one back. And then I have these 2 little ones. I think this is Cardcaptor Sakura. I'm not really sure. Is it? Oh, I'm so bad with remembering stuff like this. I think this one you can put on the side of your glass. She sits like that. Or you can have her hold something. Isn't it adorable? Cute, cute little Queen of Hearts. That's just so cute. I think this one was from one of those gacha machines. And I got it on eBay or wherever. I found it somewhere, and it's just so cute. And then over here you have a bigger one. Look at it. It's so cute. Sitting down. And actually I think she should be holding her staff. Sakura staff, but not really sure. She's sitting on a rose. Really gorgeous. Oh, other way around. Ta-da! So guys, this was my shelf of Alice in Wonderland doorknobs. And also lots of Red Queens. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, you know I would love a thumbs up, and I would love it if you subscribe. And I'm gonna do more shelves. And let me know, what do you think is the ugliest item on this shelf? Hint, hint. And what do you like best? Oh my gosh, they're all so cute, but I really, really love that ornament of Alice and Cheshire and the doorknob. But they're all cute. And I love these cute little queens. Look at them. And I would also like to know, guys, if you have a set like that one, a set of 3, do you take them apart and put them on different shelves in your collection if you're a collector? I find that always very difficult to decide, but in this case I really like it. So that was it for today, guys, and all that's left to say is groetjes uit Wonderland. Greeting from Wonderland. Bye.